guys, this is Mama sajidz again, and here in this video I'm gonna show you how you can resolve a problem in your Windows. It may become for the license activation of your Windows is that your Windows license will expire soon, and here they give you two options is the go to settings and close, and so here it come pop up gradually there within 5 minutes or 2 minutes there according to the option. So how you can off that pop-up notification from your desktop Windows there, so in this video guys I'm gonna show you. So before just starting that video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all I need to go to in my this PC, and from here I need to check that whether my Windows is activated or not. So here it is guys, this is the product ID as it is get ID there, so that means here my product ID is available and activated. So from here now I need to go to another option. Now click on the button on the Windows and R, then here you will get that option. So from here you need to type here services.msc, and now click on the OK to get on that page is there. So here you will get on that page. Now from here you need to find another thing is that Windows license manage service. So you need to double click on that, and from here it will be on the automatic. So from here you need to click on the disabled, and now click on the apply, and now click on the OK. Now from here you need to find another thing is the Windows update. So here you need to double click on that, and from here you will get on that page, and here it also be in the automatic. Now you need to take it in the disable. Now click on the apply, and now click on the OK. So now guys, congratulations, you are now get rid of from that pop-up notification in the whole screen of the Windows, and by that way here you will not get that pop-up here in your Windows again. So that's it from me guys, and by that tricks you can get rid of from that option. So no more today guys, I have to go for my next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.